I'm Manpreet. In this video we will learn how to make friendship bracelet at home. This design is very simple and easy to create. So let's get started.
Take a cardboard of 8 by 11 centimeters. Mark point at 3 centimeters on both the sides. Mark 3 more points at the distance of 8 millimeter each on both the sides. Draw the lines. Mark point at the distance of 5.5 centimeters on both sides and draw the line. Make a rectangle in the center and cut it out. Cut 8 strings of 60 centimeter each. 4 pink and 4 white. Tie them together with a knot. Push the knot through the center of the cardboard and place all the pink threads on the top cuts and all the white threads in the bottom cuts. Take top right thread and put in the side cut. Now take the bottom right thread and place in the empty cut. Take the adjacent thread and place in the opposite empty cut. Again take the adjacent thread, place in the empty cut. In this way you can see we are placing all the whites in the top cuts one by one and all the pinks in the bottom cuts. Now take the thread in the side cut and place in the empty space. Again follow the same steps. Take the top right thread and place in the side cut. Take the bottom right thread, put it on the empty space. Again take the adjacent thread, put it in the empty space. Take adjacent thread, put in the empty space. Now you will see all the pinks on the top. Keep on following the process and you will see the amazing result.
If you learned something new, please like and share my video and do subscribe my channel.